Hello everyone, and welcome to our comprehensive demo of the laundry management system. In today's video, we will walk you through how this powerful web application streamlines laundry services for both customers and administrators. Built with PHP 8, MySQL, and Bootstrap 5, the laundry management system offers a seamless and intuitive experience. First we have show you from where to download source code of this system, and then after we will show you how to run this system in our local computer. And then after, we will show you complete demo of this laundry management system. So for download source code of this laundry management system, so here, we can see web's lesson info website link. And here, we can see the PHP project link, so here, we have to click on this link. So here, PHP project web page has been opened in browser, and below, we can see the list of PHP and Node project available, with source code. And for laundry management system, so here we can see, laundry management system post title has been displayed. So here, we have to click on this link, so after click on this link, here, we can see that, laundry management system article will be load. Now we have scrolled down the web page, so here, we can see that, source code download link has been displayed. So we have click on this link, so it has redirect us to, source code download web page. And here, we can see that, laundry management system source code download page has been displayed. And now for source code download, we have to scroll web page, and here, we can see that, source code download link has been displayed. Now we have click on this link, so here, we can see that, laundry management system source has been downloaded, in our computer. Now first we want to extract source code, so here, we have to right click on source code file. So it has been asked for password, so here, we have enter password for extract source code. For get password, you have to define your email address, under laundry management system blog comment box, and we will send you password in your email address. Now here, we can see that, source code has been extracted, and we have to open into text editor. And first, we need to create database for this application, so we have goes to database directory, and open this file. And here, you can find MySQL database script, so we have to copy it. And then after, we have goes to MySQL database, and run this query, so it will create laundry management system database, and also create respected table also. After this, we have goes to config directory, and we have to open this config.php file. Under this file, first, we have to define URL of this laundry management system, from where we have to run this system. After this, we have to define SMTP details for sending email from this system. Next you can define encryption key for password hashing. And you can also set this application time zone also. Once you have set configuration details, next we have to open database.php file. And under this file, we have to define MySQL database connection details like database name, host, username and password details. And then after, we have to save this file, so it will connect this application with MySQL database. Now we have all set, and ready to run this application in browser, so here in browser, we have open app URL in browser. So here, we can see that, laundry management system homepage has been displayed, on web page. First, let us see, how easy it is for a new customer to get started. On the home page, they simply click on, sign up, to access the registration form. Here, they will fill in their basic details like, first name, last name, email address, phone number, and a secure password. Our system ensures strong password hashing for security. Once all fields are completed, a quick click on Register button, which will create their account. They will receive an email confirmation, and after a successful registration, they can proceed to log in. Now we have goes to the login page, by click on login link. So once user new account has been created, and they can logging in is just as straightforward. On the login page, users has to enter their registered email and password details. Once click on login button, the system quickly authenticates their credentials, and upon successful login, they will be redirected to their personalized user dashboard. And this dashboard is the central hub for all their laundry needs. So here system is welcome to the user dashboard. This is designed to give customers a clear overview of their laundry activities. At a glance, they can see a summary of their pending requests, recent order history, and quick access to essential functions. The clean, responsive design ensures a great experience, whether they are on a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. Notice the intuitive navigation and the clear display of their account status. Now, let us demonstrate the core functionality like submitting a new laundry request. So from the dashboard, the user has to click on New Request. So system will take them to a user-friendly form. And here in New Request form, they can select their desired laundry service type, such as regular wash or dry cleaning. Next, user has to enter the estimated weight of their laundry, and after this, the system automatically has been calculates the total amount based on the predefined pricing. This is real-time calculation, which provides instant transparency. Next, they has to specify their preferred pickup date and time, along with their pickup and delivery addresses. After this, there is also a field for any special instructions, like delicate items or fold only. Once all details are filled, so here, we can see a final review, and then after, we have to click on Submit Request. Once we have click on button, a confirmation message has been appears, and the new request is added to their list. Now we have show you how can track their request under this system. So here, tracking of request is one of the most valuable features for customers, and is the ability to track their laundry request status in real time. So for this, user has to navigating to My Requests, and they see a list of all their past and current orders. And then after, user has to clicking on a specific request brings up the detailed view. Here, they will find a clear, interactive status timeline. This is visual guide shows exactly where their laundry is in the process, like from pending when they first submit it. Then after request will be accepted by the admin, and then admin will picked up. After this, request will comes into in process status at the facility. And once clothes are clean, then admin will put into ready status for delivery, and when admin deliver it to user, so it will final status will be delivered. Each step is clearly marked with a timestamp and any relevant notes from the admin. This is transparency, which keeps customers informed and reduces the need for constant inquiries. Next, this laundry management system also provides robust profile management. Users can easily update their personal information, including their name, email, phone number, and address. All changes are securely saved and reflected across the system. For enhanced security, they can also change their password directly from their profile. The system enforces strong password policies and provides instant feedback on password strength. After updating, A success message confirms the changes, which ensuring their account details are always up to date and secure. Now we have shown you notification module of this laundry management system. To keep customers fully informed, the laundry management system includes a comprehensive notification system. Users will receive alerts for important updates, such as status changes to their laundry requests, new promotions, or system announcements. They can view all their notifications in one centralized place, mark them as read, and even filter them by type or status. This ensures that they never miss a critical update about their laundry. Now, as you can see, the user module of the laundry management system is designed for ultimate convenience and transparency. From easy registration and request submission to real-time tracking and profile management, it puts the customer in control of their laundry experience. Next, we will switch gears and explore the powerful features available to administrators. Now that we have explored the customer's journey, let us switch perspectives and delve into the powerful administrative capabilities of the laundry management system. The admin module is designed to give business owners and staff complete control over their operations, from managing requests to analyzing performance. Admins have a dedicated login portal, ensuring secure access to sensitive business data. After entering their unique admin credentials, they are seamlessly directed to the admin dashboard, which is the command center for their laundry business. The admin dashboard provides a comprehensive, real-time overview of the entire operation. At the top, you will see key performance indicators like the total number of registered users, pending requests awaiting action, requests currently in process, and your total revenue. These metrics give an immediate pulse on the business health. Below, a Quick Actions section, which allows admins to jump directly into critical tasks, such as reviewing pending requests or managing pricing. The dashboard also features recent requests and recent users sections, which providing a snapshot of the latest activities and customer registrations. This centralized view empowers admins to make informed decisions quickly. Under this system, the Manage Users section is the area where administrators can oversee their customer base. Here, admin can view a list of all registered users, complete with their contact information, account status, and even their total number of laundry requests and amount spent. Admins can easily search for specific users or filter by status, such as active or inactive user. Admin has to clicking on a user's profile, and admin can reveal detailed insights, including their order statistics, service preferences, and recent order history. From this page, admins can also activate or deactivate user accounts, providing granular control over who can access services. Here, the Manage Requests section is the heart of the admin module, which allowing for efficient processing of all laundry orders. Admins can view a comprehensive list of all requests, filtering them by status like pending, accepted, in process, ready, delivered, or cancelled, or by date range. A powerful search function, which allows finding requests by number, customer name, or service type. When a request is selected, a detailed view appears, and showing all customer information, service details, addresses, and special instructions. Crucially, admins can update the status of any request through an intuitive modal. For example, changing a request from pending to accepted, then to picked up, and so on. They can also add internal notes for each status change, ensuring a clear audit trail and smooth communication within the team. This streamlined workflow and ensures every order is processed efficiently. After this, the Manage Pricing section gives administrators full control over their service offerings and pricing structure. They can easily add new laundry service types, define the price per kilogram, and provide a brief description. Existing services can be edited to adjust prices or update details. This section also provides valuable usage statistics for each service, which showing how many requests each service has received and the total revenue generated. This data helps admins optimize their pricing strategies and identify their most popular services. Now we have moved to reports and analytics part of this admin module. So here, to empower data-driven decision-making, the laundry management system offers a robust reports analytics module. Admins can generate various reports based on specific date ranges or predefined periods. This module provides a summary of total requests, revenue, average order value, and unique customers for a selected period. It also includes breakdowns by request status and popular services. After this, it shows performance over the last 12 months, including requests, revenue, and customer growth. And it also identifies top customers by spending, frequency, and service preferences. These reports often include interactive charts for easy visualization of trends and patterns. All reports can be exported, allowing for further analysis in external tools. This module transforms raw data into actionable insights, which helping the business grow. So this is a complete demonstration of the laundry management system. From the intuitive customer portal that simplifies laundry requests and tracking, to the powerful admin panel that provides comprehensive control and insights. The laundry management system is designed to optimize every aspect of a laundry business. Its modern UI, UX, robust backend, and focus on security, which make it an ideal solution for any laundry service, which looking to enhance efficiency and customer satisfaction. Lastly, thank you for watching, and do not forget subscribe our channel for future video release.